Hi, Janice Winward here with Midnight Arts. Tonight I'm going to do another one of the circle ghost pours. And of course I'm doing it in blue. So I have Deco Art Extreme Sheen Metallic Sapphire, and this does have a little bit of ultramarine blue in it. I have Sargent Art Pale Blue. Apple Barrel Magenta. Oh, I forgot to check this magenta and see if it was clogged. Hopefully it's not. Okay. Let's see, which one do I want to use? Once again, I'm not going down quite as far as I would like. Smashing red paint, white paint all over the place. See, is that narrower? This one right here, that's a good one. Okay. Oh, put my finger in the paint. Oh, that's the one I used the other night. Guess it's the thinnest one I have. Crooked on that one. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay. Once again, it started forming cells, and so as I swiped it with the other things, it kind of made wonky cells. But it's kind of okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back and join me again soon. Please subscribe, like, and share, and most importantly, please have a great night. Okay, here's this one. Not quite dry, but I don't think it's going to change anymore. Actually, I don't know, the centers aren't perfect, but I don't mind them. I didn't balloon smash the center of this one or the black one, black and silver one. Then here is the other blue one that I did. It's not dry. They're just not drying as fast as I expect them to. But there again, I also don't think that one's going to change any. Okay. Okay, there you are. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a great night.